In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zendesk chat on your website. We'll walk through the full process from grabbing your Zendesk web widget code to adding it into your website theme so it appears on your live site. I'll be using Shopify as the example platform, but the same idea applies to most website builders. You copy the code from Zendesk and paste it into your site's theme files, usually near the footer. First, head over to your Zendesk account and log into your admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the panel of icons and click the rocket icon to open the Zendesk Admin Center. This is where you manage all your channels and settings. Once the Admin Center is open, look again at the left panel and find the section called Channels. Click it to expand and then select Messaging under Messaging and Social. This is where your different messaging widgets are listed. From that list, click your web widget, the one you want to embed on your website, and wait a moment for the widget settings page to load fully. Inside the web widget settings, look for a section called Installation. Click it to expand. Here, Zendesk provides you with a code snippet, usually a small block of JavaScript. This snippet is what will actually load the chat on your site. Carefully copy the entire snippet to your clipboard, making sure you do not miss any characters. Now, open your website platform. In this example, we're using Shopify. From your Shopify admin dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click Online Store. This will take you to your Themes section. Find your current live theme, then click the More Options button for that theme. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Edit Code. This opens Shopify's code editor, where you can access all the theme files. Inside the code editor, look for the Sections folder on the left and click it to expand. Scroll through the list until you find the file named footer.liquid and click to open it. In this file, scroll down until you see the closing footer tag, which looks like this. Jazz, place your cursor just above that closing tag and paste the Zendesk code snippet you copied earlier. Adding it before the footer tag helps ensure it loads on every page of your site. Once you've pasted the code, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. After saving, visit your storefront in a new browser tab, refresh the page, and you should see the Zendesk chat widget appear on your website.